Good morning. I am K. Manimala, working as Assistant Professor in this Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Salem. I welcome for watching this video. In this video, I discuss this Java programming features. Java programming features. Java is a simple, small, and familiar. The syntax of Java is similar with the C++, so it is easy to learn. Java eliminates the difficulties in C++, so it is called small and familiar. Object oriented. Java is a pure object oriented language. Everything is an object. Java can be easily extended since it is based on object oriented model. Is a compile and interpreter. Generally, programming language either uses compiler and interpreter, but Java uses both compiler as well as interpreter, so it is called compile and interpreter. Distributed. Java has a strong network facilities, so it is create application on network. Java is designed for distributed environment of this internet. Platform independent. Unlike many other programming languages include C and C++, when Java is compiled, it is not compiled into a platform specific machine rather than into platform independent bytecode. So it is Java is a platform independent and secure. Java is a secure features. It enables to develop virus free, term free systems. Architectural neutral. Java compiler generate an architectural neutral object file format which make this compiled code execute on many processor with the presence of Java runtime system. Portable. Java is generate a bytecode and this can be used in any machine. Being architectural neutral and having implemented independent aspect make this portability. Java is high performance. With the use of just-in-time compiler, Java enable high performance and robust. Java make effort to error prone situation by emphasizing many on compile time error checking and runtime error checking. And Java has multi-threaded. Java is multi-threaded feature. It is possible to write a program that can perform many tasks simultaneously. This design features allow the developer to construct interactive and parallel application that can run smoothly. And dynamic. Java program can carry extensive amount of runtime information that can be used to verify and solve access to this object on runtime. Next is comparing Java language with C. Java language is it used bottom-up approach. In C language, it uses top-down approach. In Java language, it generates as a class file, but in C language, it generates as a exe file. Java is not supported processor pre-processed directives. It like hash define and hash includes, and files are included in this program with the help of package import. See, it support pre-processed directives. The header files are included using hash include. And union and structures are not supported by Java, but C support. Object-oriented concepts are supported by Java. It only is not support multiple inheritance. The multiple inheritance is not directly support, but it indirectly support. In C++, it's not supporting this object-oriented concept and inheritance. And Multi-threading is supported by Java, but the C is not supported. Overloading is not supported in C, but it's support in Java. Method overloading it's supported. And C its support is a pointer, but Java is not support pointers directly, but it indirectly it will be support. And in C it has will be in this dynamic memory allocations are done with the help of functions like malloc, cloc, realloc and free methods. But in Java it has automatic garbage collections. Java is a portable and platform independent, but C is not portable and platform independent. Comparing Java with C++. Java programs are compile and interpret, but C++ only it will be in our user's compiler, it will be compiled. And Java is a platform independent and C++ is a platform dependent. And C++ it supports preprocessor directives like hash define, hash include. Using hash include, it include the header files, but Java is not supported. But this predefined functions or classes are included with the help of import statement. C++ it supports this object-oriented concept, and Java also support this object-oriented concept except multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not directly support, but it will be indirectly supported with the help of interfaces. In Java, support this overloading method overloading, but it not support operator overloading. But C++ it supports method overloading as well as operator overloading. Pointers is supported by C++, but it not supported Java directly, but it will be support as indirectly. And these templates are supported C++, but the template is not supported as Java. And multi-threading and interfaces are supported Java, but it not supported in C++. Storage classes are not supported in Java. In C++, it support the storage classes like auto, extend. Java environment. Java is a pure object-oriented programming. Is a general purpose language. Java can develop two type of program. One is application program, another one is applet program. Application programs do this job on a local computer, and applet programs have ability to run on internet through a web browser. Java environment has a large number of development toolkits and number of classes, interface and methods. Java development toolkit are part of a system called Java Development Kit, that is called JDK. Java classes and methods are part of the Java standard library, that is JSL, also known as Application Program Interface, that is APIs. Java environment. Java Development Toolkit contains developing and running Java programs. The tools are Java Development Toolkits contains the following tools. Applet viewer. Applet viewers to run this applet programs. Java C is a Java compiler which is convert the Java source program into bytecode. Java is Java interpreter which convert the bytecode into target machine code. Java P is a Java disassembler which is used to convert bytecode file into a program description. Java doc is creating HTML document from a Java source code. Java DB is a Java debugger which help to find this error in this Java programmer. Java H create a header files when native methods are used like C and C++. Java standard library. This include large number of classes, interface and method. They are grouped into different packages. The most commonly used packages are the language support package. The language support package contains a collection of classes, interface and methods are used for implementing basic features of Java. Utility package is a collection of classes, interface, methods to provide utility functions like date, time, vectors are available. An applet package is a collection of classes, interface and methods used to create applets. Abstract window toolkits is a collection of class, interface and methods are used to implementing graphical user interface applications. Input output package is a collection of classes, interface, methods used for input output manipulation like reading information from an input device and displaying information in output device are performed with the help of these classes. Thank you for watching this video.